A huge update is coming. Tesla FSD version 13 reportedly rolling out to employees, where Tesla engineer post Thanksgiving picture hinting at FSD version 13. Tesla AI VP has also teased FSD Supervised version 13. The software could be released to selected customer anytime now or tonight. So Tesla FSD version 13.3 distribution begins as scheduled. This is the era of unsupervised autonomous driving, and Elon Musk has previously said that version 13 would not be a beta but actually an FSD.